Meaning of dioxide.
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 Dioxide. The term dioxide refers to a type of chemical compound that contains two oxygen atoms and one other element. The prefix D- indicates that there are two oxygen atoms present in the molecule. Carbon dioxide, for example, is a common dioxide that consists of one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms. Dioxides can have varying properties and uses depending on the specific elements involved. In general, however, many dioxides are used in industrial processes, as well as in everyday products such as cleaning agents and medicines.